Nathan Ferguson is a professional footballer who plays as a defender for Premier League club Crystal Palace. Ferguson came through the youth system at West Bromwich Albion, joining the club at age 8. In December of 2017, he signed his first professional contract with West Brom, a deal which would see him stay at the club until the summer of 2020. He made his professional debut in August of 2019, starting in Albion's opening day 2-1 victory against Nottingham Forest. He would go on to make 21 appearances, creating 1 assist and scoring 1 goal. He then opted not to sign a new contract with West Brom in June of 2020. Ferguson joined Crystal Palace on the 21st of June 2020 on a 3-year deal. Shortly after joining Palace, Ferguson suffered a serious knee injury, followed by a minor thigh injury in December. This would see the player sit out the entire season. Nathan Ferguson has also represented England at the under-18, under-19 and under-20 levels.